All right, so how you doing today? Today we got a quick video here for you. This is a free plugin by GSonic. This is the EQ Pro. So have you ever downloaded a free plugin and thought this one should not be free? I think I found one here today. It is a dynamic EQ, free alternatives to something like FabFilter EQ Pro or whatever it's called, Pro 4. So let's check it out. There'll be links down below. The song I'm using today is one of my own songs. You could follow my music channel. I'm doing it in collaboration with my music channel here. Follow my music channel for updated music and things like that, songwriting and everything. All right, so let's get into this. We got our basic controls in and output. We have an auto gain as well, which comes in handy. We've got a bypass down here, our scale for the visuals. And then we have different bands down here. We got 24 different bands. We have dynamic as it's turned on here. We have all these different curves, bell, low shelf, high cut, low cut, notch, and tilt. We can solo each band separately as well. You can see the dynamic EQ working there. Let's bypass it real quick and turn it on. Turn it on. Now, obviously, that's not something you're going to do unless you're doing an effect. But we got a tilt EQ here as well. We got zero latency mode, natural, linear. We got some different settings over here, oversampling, 2 times, 4 times, analyzer, pre-post, post. We can adjust the scale of this interface. So there's not too much to show actually. You just create bands here and there, and you can just keep doing it, adjusting things as you wish, get very surgical with it. And we can control the frequency and the gain and stuff down here as well, the Q. We have our stereo, we have mid, we have sides left and right. So if we want to do processing like that as well. So with the dynamic EQ, we got a compressor built in to every channel, controlled only when you need it. Threshold ratio, knee, attack, release per band. And this is for macOS and Windows. We have audio unit and VST3 formats available. And you can get the manual right on our website here as well. So definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you think. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.